Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel as we continue our project on our Heartland Prowler, where we're ripping out the bunks and making that space more useful for us. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. It's a little bit chilly in here today. I need to get this slide out. And we need to get our furnace on. It is pretty cold in here. Alright, we need to get this area cleaned out so we can continue where we left off. As you recall, in the last video we moved this wall back about 5 inches or so, and I want to pick up a little bit of gray caulk maybe to try and blend in some of those nail holes on that trim that we put on there. This used to come out and it used to have an angled piece on where the door went across, so anyway, that will open up some additional space as we're walking into this walk-in closet that we're creating. And then I need to take a look at this. I think what I'm going to end up doing is kind of ripping off this brown paneling and then taking this ladder out, and then we'll just kind of cover this entire wall once we build it with the same material. We'll probably try and stay with 2x3 construction that they're using, because we don't want to put too much weight in here. And of course, naturally we took out quite a bit of weight with the bunks, so I'm not too worried about that, and this should work out good.
내 숨이 가빠져 방심한 사이 내 맘을 훔친 너 회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점 너만의 태도로 날 물들여가 You set my world on fire 내 세상에 번져 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘 You set my world on fire You set my world on fire 아득한 동화 속 주인공
Alright, as you can see, we've got this down to the studs. I just got to take care of these little finishing nails. We'll have to build this in place. It'd be too difficult to build it in the garage or something, then try and bring it in here and put it in. The other thing we're going to have to take into account is that if we go all the way up and come across, we'll cover this outlet, so we'll probably leave access here to go in from either side if somebody wanted to access that. I don't want to remove that. You never know. I mean, if we ever sell the trailer, somebody else might want to do this a little bit different, or maybe they want to add a television on this wall, although I think it would be difficult to watch since the sofa is here and the current entertainment center is directly across from that. Anyway, let's get started on this wall.
불꽃 되어 작은 온기 전해주기 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 함께 있어줘 You set my world on fire You set my world on fire You set my world on fire You set my world It's a lonely road to travel on. It's a heavy loss to be alone. Now I finally think I found someone to guide me through the storm. I wanna build a home, stone by stone. Watch the flowers grow. I wanna build a home with you. I know I'm staying forever, staying forever. No more lonely roads to travel on. Don't have to face the thought of being alone. Now I finally I found that one. I'm safe when I am in your arms. I wanna build a home, stone by stone. Watch the flowers grow. I wanna build a home with you. I know I'm staying forever, staying forever. Watch the flowers grow. I wanna build a home with you.
Alright, here we're just using some shiplap siding planks that we bought at Lowe's and just cutting that to fit and putting them in place.
I know I'm staying forever, staying forever. Now I finally think I found the one to guide me through the storm.
Okay, this brings us to the end of another episode. If you enjoy what you're seeing, I appreciate it if you'd hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications on future videos coming out. And we certainly appreciate you watching. Take care.
널 볼 때면 내 숨이 가빠져 방심한 사이 내 맘을 훔친 너 회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점 너만의 태도로 날 물들여가 You set my world fire. You set my world on fire. 바득한 동화 속 주인공 하나같이 찾게 되지 행복. 운명이랑 거부하려 해도 결국 돌고 돌아 우리 만나게 될걸. You set my world on fire. 내 세상에 번져 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 하고 싶어. 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 내 곁에 있어줘. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. 비가 오면 우산 대신 맞닿은 손 꼭 붙잡고 마음속에 불꽃 되어 작은 온기 전해주길. 널 사랑하고 내 품에 안겨 함께 늙어가는 나고 싶어. 네 맘도 나와 항상 같은 맘 변치 말고 매일 함께 있어줘. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Follow me out down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so blessed to have you. Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness, we've come for you. We'll misbehave, stay up till late, share all our secrets as we let go. No more illusions, no more standing still. All of fusion will never cease to thrill. Wilderness, we give you our mess. We're so blessed to have you. Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh